Hey everyone, Steven for Futurelooks.com, and today I'm going to show you a product that solves an age-old problem that small form factor builders have had since the beginning of small form factor history. One of the things that you always run across is the fact that when you finish up your small form factor build and it's time to put in your power supply and cable manage, those cables are really freaking long. In fact, they're meant for mid towers and full towers. Well, Silverstone has a really simple solution, and it's called the PP05 cable kit. Now, the PP05 cable kit is probably one of the simplest solutions to the super long cable conundrum when it comes to building small form factor systems. Why don't we just make them shorter? And that's exactly what this kit does. Let's show you what's inside the box. So inside, you're going to get your standard SATA cable, which is cut down. You get two Molex 4-pins. These are the standard fat 4 pins right here. You get one with two on a single strand, and you get two plus a floppy connector on one of the other ones right here. Here's another SATA power connector. It's got 3 sections. You also get a 4-pin plus 4-pin, so 8-pin total EPS ATX power supply cable for your motherboard. And of course you get the 24-pin here. This is a total length of 350 millimeter, so it's quite a bit shorter than what you're seeing right here. And to power your graphics cards, you get 4 individual runs right here. These are PCI Express 6 plus 2 pin, so you have the option to go for 6 or 8 pin, no problem right out of the box. Now, this entire kit is actually made specifically for their Strider series of power supplies. So on the Strider series, which is the power supply right here, the blue connectors right here are all individual PCI Express. Now, not all of the power supplies on the market do this. Some of them have a single connector with 2 6 plus 2 pins coming out of it. So if you aren't using a Strider power supply in the Silverstone series, then you might be able to use this kit. You just might not have the ability to use all 4 connectors on your power supply because it doesn't do the 1 to 2 connector, all right? So as you can see, this is definitely, even together, this is definitely a whole lot shorter, almost half in some cases, than the original power supply cables that you get in the box right here. The PP05 cable kit retails for between $25 to $30 and includes everything that you see here. Now, if you're wondering, well, is that a good value? Is that a good deal? Well, if you think about what the price is of those sleeve cables that are out in the market, which sell between $5 to $7 a piece, it's actually not a bad deal. Only in this case, you're not adding any cable, you're actually shortening it. But the alternative way that you can use this kit is that if you want to, for example, dress up your system with the cable extensions, but you don't want to add the extra length that comes with adding additional cable length to these cables, or it's unnecessary, you could probably substitute in some of the cables from this kit and use the extensions on top of that to make it a lot cleaner in a mid-tower build or smaller. And of course, the small form factor systems definitely benefit from having all these short cable options right here for both cable management and also for airflow, which is very important for small form factor builds. So I hope that this kit right here solves maybe some of the problems that you may have experienced when building those small form factor systems, in particular systems such as the based around the Prodigy and the Sugo series from Silverstone. So that's the PP05 kit in a nutshell, solving that age-old problem for small form factor systems. I'm Steven for Futurelooks.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Take care.